2 ng Egypt Tour 2025, and this is the outfit of today. Fit of the day. And daming gwapo. Gusto ko sanang video. But anyway, so in day 2, I already booked a tour in booking.com para at least ang tour, para iwas rin tayo, iwas sa mga scam dito sa Egypt, lalo na doon sa loob, kasi as you may know, maraming scam na nangyayari sa loob ng pyramid. So about 8 o'clock AM, yun ang pick up time, and provided dun sa tour package na kinuha ko is the pick up and drop off ng mga sasama. May lunch kasama, may kasama na dun camel ride for 30 minutes, and meron na rin dun kasama yung mga entrance sa mga pyramid, kasi as I know, lahat ng pyramids may entrance admission na kailangan. So yun ang kinuha kong tour para hindi na masyadong problemado sa mga transaction o whatever. At tulad yung sinabi ko, para dun sa scam. So eto yung view ulit sa aking accommodation. Here. I think may entrance dun sa ano na yun, dun sa maraming tao na yun. Here, may aso. So it's around 7:39 in the morning, and I'm expecting them to message me para sa aking pick up, and hopefully it will go run smoothly. Yun lang naman ang aim natin ngayon, at para makapag-vlog doon sa loob ng mga pyramid. And that will be it. See you in the next video. What's your name? Talha?
Yeah.
And you're Egyptian, right? So this is where I stayed. So I booked this hotel that's like a 3-star hotel around 130 to November 30 to December 6. So meron din siyang offer na tour. So ito, puntahan natin ngayon. No,
No, it's good to know.
so from here to Luxor it's around 6 hours.
Yeah, it's a chicken.
Mahihain siya, Mars. And I want this. There's one more, I think. I think I'm done here. And I'm also done here. Today, this one. How far the Karnak temple?
Yeah, and look.
Same?
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh, 6 hours drive. I'm not sure if there's also a package tour going from Cairo to Luxor for 6 hours drive. Siguro mahal na yun. Mahal na siguro yung gano'n kasi meron siyang traveling time from 6 hours. Can you imagine? It's like 1 hour, 1 day tour from your hotel. Traveling time 6 hours going to those temple, then another 6 hours going back. So 12 hours. Anyway, I see you later.
This one. It's covered an area about 13 acres. Originally high, 146, but now it is to 137 meters. About 2,300,000 blocks were used to
How
build
much?
it.
How many?
2,000,000. 300,000 blocks were used to build it. Maximum weight 15 tons. The small weight 2 tons. Building of this pyramid take about 30 years.
30 years.
Yeah, to build it. If you have been inside it, you can see nothing, just an empty coffin, empty granite sarcophagus. Why? Because the mummy was taken
So
away.
it's not from the alien.
Yeah, no, not from there. It was built by the hand. I tell you later. Yeah. So if you have been inside, you can see just
Okay.
an empty coffin because the mummy was taken away in ancient time. And so until now, a lot of mission, a lot of exhibition come from all over the world looking for the mummy and the treasures of the king. This is Khufu, Khafra, his son. Yeah. Also.
Khufu, this one.
Yeah, Khufu Khafra.
Kafra.
Minkaura. We shall go inside it. This one is covered an area about 11 acres. Originally high 143, but now it is to 136.
Okay.
The big one, the second one was polish.
Yes.
Cover with the casing from outside, but the casing fell off. You can see the
Yes.
at the top of the second pyramid and also at the base of the big one. To the left one, you can see the little one, Minkaura. Minkaura also originally high 66 meters, but now 62. If you have been inside the little one, there is no sarcophagus, no coffin. Why? Because two of English archaeology, they won't take the sarcophagus from the pyramid to England.
So they took it from
Yeah,
England.
but the ship, the boat, which it was carried, it sunk under the
Okay.
water of the sea. So the sarcophagus of this one just
So there's
underneath
like
of the water, under
bad
the
luck
Mediterranean
for that.
Sea. Yeah. So if you have when you go inside, you can see just empty room. This is about the little one. In front of us is the Sphinx. Yeah, Sphinx is one solid stone, and it's represent the King Khafra, builder of the second pyramid. And now we shall go inside to be closer of the Sphinx, and we'll be in front of it.
No problem.
Yeah. If you need a picture, any help? Yeah, I
So we are so near to reach one of the pyramids. So there's two pyramids that open for public. The first big one and the small big one. I think the first one, the big one, is cost around 1,500 pound, and the small one there is about 280 Egyptian pound. So I never knew that my accommodation was there. It's only 5 minutes walk. I thought it's like 30 minutes drive. There's too much Habibi here, see? Habibi. Yalla Habibi, come to Egypt. Good morning.
Yeah, it's granite, but it's marble, alabaster.
And marble.
Ancient Egyptian from Middle Egypt. Middle Egypt. Here is that shop. Look at the shop with the people. King Mary found the statue.
And what's this? Why there's so much money
A
there?
shop
Uh-huh.
where the Frenchman excavated here. He found the statue of the
Okay.
King Khafra, builder of the second pyramid. This is statue now in the old Egyptian museum at Tahrir Square. And this is the picture of the statue, which it was found here in this place. Yeah. But about so money, good luck, come back to Egypt.
Okay.
This one. Have you been to the old Egypt? It's the first day for you?
No, I just only we saw it in the picture and history books.
Different. It's made of basalt. They represented the king sitting on the throne. This is the falcon, symbol of the sun god, one of masterpieces in the old Egyptian museum.
They usually use animal symbols, right?
Yeah, of the gods. Here, against the wall here. Okay, you can see 16 pillars like that. These pillars, it was supported the roof, ceiling, which it was
Okay.
covered the old temple, but the roof fell off, destroyed, and used in other buildings. Against the wall, under the wall here, there were statues of the king Kefren, Khafra, builder of the second
Okay.
pyramid. The total number, about how many statues here? 23 statues. It's made out of different materials, limestone, alabaster, basalt, now in different museums. Grand Egyptian Museum, Old Egyptian
So-
Museum, some of it in this magazine, storage of our antiquity. By
So
the
this
way,
one before it's like only a room.
yeah, all of it was covered by sand.
Okay.
But he cleared. Why 23 here? Why? Because it was symbol of the number of the statue here. It was 23 statues. So every statue was represent one district, one city.
Okay,
So
okay.
the total
So
number.
there's 23
is-
cities.
Yeah, 23,
Okay.
about 23 cities. When the temple covered by ceiling, the light is come here through the hole. Look at the hole at the top.
Yes.
Sloping the hole, the light is coming here. And the contrast between the white color of alabaster and the pink color of the granite reflects the light on the statue, and it's made a sacred holy place.
So it's like free electric from
Yeah.
the sun, the marble
It's just like
reflection. Okay.
here. There are 6 rooms here, the upper and the lower. The upper may be was symbol of Upper Egypt. The lower was symbol of Lower Egypt. Because in ancient time, Egypt was divided to parts: Upper Egypt, Lower Egypt. Upper Egypt expanded from Giza, in by Aswan, 1,000 kilometers apart from here. Lower Egypt began by Cairo, started by Cairo, end by Delta. Delta Alexandria, something like that. And in ancient times, there were 2 holy plants, papyrus and lots of flowers. Papyrus was symbol of Delta, and the ancient Egyptians were used to make paper for writing, making a fluka, making a ceiling.
The one, what you call that? The scroll?
Yeah,
Yeah, that one?
Yeah, papyrus. And until now, we make this industry. This
Okay.
is papyrus. Lots. It was used to make oil, perfume, which was also used for healing, for cosmetics, in their daily life, in mummification. Okay, and it was symbol of Upper Egypt. And until now, we make these 2 industry: papyrus and oil or perfume.
So in Arab time now, this one is Diwania. It's like Diwania.
Diwania? No,
It's
not
do you know that
temple, not Diwania.
No, it's before maybe temple, right? Because there's nothing here, just a rope and statue.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, Diwania, maybe.
So it's not like for party or this one?
No, it was used for mummification.
Just only. Okay.
Embalm with the mummy of the body of the
Oh, so this is where they involve the. Okay.
mummification. After the priest embalmed, mummified the body, they hold it through the causeway to the funerary temple to make some prayers. After that, they put the body inside the pyramid.
So-
from here you can see the pyramid and the funerary temple.
Okay.
Do
So
you
it's like step by step. So they
And
will
you know,
mummified here.
and make ceremony. After that, they put it inside the pyramid. This way up, we call it causeway, very long way.
Causeway.
Causeway or highway.
Yeah.
As you call it. As you call it.
Usually they use that word causeway in highways.
Yes. There are 2 rooms for the guardian who protected the temple in ancient time.
And this is what before?
Come here, yeah. Two rooms.
Just homes.
Yeah.
Like
Room, chamber.
Mm.
Room for the guardian. Go on, sir.
yeah, nandito tayo sa The Sphinx. Yan. Vietnam ka po, Bing.
This is the Sphinx. Sphinx actually it's one solid stone, one stone. And the ancient Egyptians shaped it, curved it, fashioned it to huge statue with human head and the body line. Human head, the symbol of the intelligence, body line, symbol of the power, the strength. The statue, it's to represent King Khafre Khafra, builder of the second pyramid. Okay? The length of the statue, 73 meters. But it's the height to 20 meters. In ancient time, it has different of royal elements decoration, look like the crown, cobra forehead, the nose, the beard, but most of it missing now.
Yeah.
Before part of the beard, chin, in British Museum in London. About the damage of the nose, the destruction of the nose, there are public history it was damaged by French leaders. Bonaparte when he was in Egypt in 18th century, but actually it's wrong. It was damaged before that in the 13th century by Mamluk man, Arabian man, because he found some mortuaries. Some people believe in it as a god.
Yeah.
So he damaged it, and after that he believed. This man who was from Morocco, Maghreb, Morocco,
Morocco.
and holy man, and he was living in Egypt, and he was a pious man. Yeah, his name Sa'im al-Dahr. The name of the man, he destroyed the nose Sa'im al-Dahr. In front of the Sphinx here, we can see the Sphinx temple, this one, Sphinx temple. Same age of the Sphinx, 2600 BC. In ancient time, it was contained 24 pillars, 24 columns. Yeah, 12 was symbol of an hour of the day, and 12 was symbol of an hour of the night. But most of it fell off, destroyed, and used in other buildings. And also in the temple, there are two passages, the right corridor and the left corridor. The right corridor was symbol of the sunrise, but the left one over there, symbol of the sunset. Over there is the temple. Look at the temple, this one, the black one, made out of mud bricks. This
Yeah,
is
that-
one of the one of the ancient, one of the king in the 18th dynasty, New Kingdom. He came here. His name Amenhotep II. He came here to visit his grandfather, so he built this temple as an offering for the sun god, because the statue was symbol of the sun god.
What's
Okay.
the Asian name of the
Abul Hol is the Greek name.
okay, yeah.
Sphinx, but ancient Egyptian name, I think, Berhol.
It's different from the Munra.
Ra.
What's that?
Yeah,
Ra.
we can say Ra.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the name Horem Akhet, the ancient Egyptian name. Horem Akhet means, as you see, it's also the statue was restored many times. New restoration of the statue. If you want to take a photo for you, I make it. If you like.
No,
If you
I
like.
just want to tell you, see, if you learn history, you know. Then how they found it? How they found it? I mean, everything.
The pyramid, it was found in 2600 BC.
So before it was on the ground or just like that?
No, before it was covered a little bit with the sand.
Okay.
But we clear it from the sand. This one it was covered by sand many times. We clear it and clean it. Yeah, the Sphinx. Look at the detail of the line. You can see the body, you can see the tail,
Yeah.
you can see the bones, all details of the animals of the line.
I think it's a combination of like lion, eagle.
A human head, the body line.
Okay.
Human head symbol of the intelligence, body line symbol of the power, strength.
This will be a very long vlogs.
Look at the tail. is your friend in picture.
And how much the entrance for the
Area?
museum?
Sound and lecture.
The museum,
Museum, which museum?
the gem.
1,450
Oh,
Egyptian pound. Equal $29. We also pay by credit card. No cash money there.
yes.
هنعمل ايه لازم نروح ونيجي ماشي بس ما نروحش يعني نخلص
What do you call that? Beetle? Scarabs?
Scarabs, yeah,
Yeah,
beetle.
yeah.
Scarabs is beetle.
Yes.
Some people believe in good luck. It's a symbol of the insect because it's connected with the sun god.
Mm-hmm.
Because the first insect woke up.
Old now, right?
Yeah, yeah. This is the people sitting here, as I told you. Like me, like that. You can sit.
Mm-hmm.
And they enjoy for 1 hour at night. The light
For the
is
light
in
show.
The monuments, people talk about civilization. We have a very high technology.
Mhm.
We use the laser light show. Laser light show.
So it's same thing in Hong Kong. They use it in Disneyland. It's
Yeah.
like half hour, 1 hour light show.
Look at the wall. They use it as a screen. at
Yes.
night. Look like screen. The wall of the temple.
Okay.
And they exhibited everything about ancient Egyptian civilization.
So sabi nga niya, dito na nagaganap yung light show ni Mayor. Tapos yung flat screen nila, yung nasa gitna. Tapos yung bebe ko andyan naglalakad. Bebe. Okay. Mga Mars, ang daming bebe. Yung nga si Mr. Right ko, wala rito, Mr. Right. Daming gwapo, Mars.
Take a picture for you like that. Touches a pyramid at the top.
Where, here or
Here. Stay here like that.
So, dinala tayo ng tour guide sa plateau, which is the panoramic view ng tatlong pyramid. See? From here, makita mo yung tatlong. Same thing from the entrance, makikita mo naman sila. Pero may pa ganto-ganto pa silang plateau. Okay. So, sana may budget pa ako sa pagpapagawa ng pangalan ko ng cartouche. Yun nga lang, medyo mahal daw siya. Yung cartouche is yung parang Arabic symbols names ilalagay nila sa So this is where the party is or no?
Now you can see the desert where you can see the camel, you can see the people sell souvenirs. Also you can take a nice picture for all the pyramid, for all this view. I take you to the hill over there. See the
Okay. Mars, may pa camels na Mars.
camel.
Yeah.
By the way, the age of the camel about 25 years.
Yeah.
Egyptian slay it and eat here is meat. Very thin fit, no fat, good for healthy. No fat, healthy for the heart. For
But they are same taste like the karuf or what?
No, different of kharuf. Kharuf is lamb. This is
Yeah.
camel meat. And also he has the milk is very, very expensive. The milk of the
Yes,
camel.
I heard that one.
you want to take a picture here for the souvenir, come on. Lot of people because it's cheap.
Mm.
Excuse me. Something.
هات واحد هنا هات واحد هنا
600 Egyptian. Instead of $10, 20 make $10. 600 if you like. The camel takes for you from here. Look at the people over there,
Yeah.
and you can see the desert, the Nile pyramid. You can take a picture. Okay. If you like, tell me. If you don't like, we take a picture from here on the beach.
So sabi ng guide, ang rate nila it's 1,000 Egyptian pound. Pero meron daw siyang kilala what will go around 5 to 600. So ang amoy it's mapanghi. Siguro kasi nga camel siya. Malamang camel siya. Hindi ko alam kung pinaliliguan nila to or what. Pero mapanghi siya rito, mapanghi. Kasi nasa taas tayo ng ano eh. Parang hills lang para makita yung buong panoramic ng tatlong pyramid. So, di ko lang kung maintindihan kung tama yung sinabi, kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, Father, Mother, and the King, Queen, and the Son. In fairness, be, ang daming ano, ang daming bebe.